Hello, this is Jericho, and today, today is my sister's birthday, and I want to greet her happy birthday. Wag yung original na happy birthday. I-request niya, kantahin niyo sa kanya. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo. Yun. Okay. Hello, it's me. Today is my sister's birthday, and I want you to greet her happy birthday. Not the usual happy birthday. I mean, the happy birthday you belong to the zoo. So, bakit? Hello, today is my sister's birthday. I want you to greet her happy birthday. You belong to the zoo. And I only hindi mo pa-nose mismo. Mag-reduce siya ng ilan. Tapos, ayun. Sana mag-gluten siya. Sana dumami yung gluten. Bye. I love you, ate. And thank you very, very much. I love you.